As if it's not bad enough that we have to deal with fake news on a daily basis, the poor folks looking to make a window decision have to deal with fake science as well. Now, we're not just talking Bigfoot, flat earth, man-made, global warming, Loch Ness monster type of fake science. No sir, Mr. Man, we're talking the worst kind of fake science there is. The kind where they make up dubious performance claims, sprinkle in some technical terms, throw in a test that demonstrates nothing, then claim it proves that they have the best window on the market. Pure bunkum. We here at Mathews Brothers are happy to report that you no longer have to take the word of any Tom, Dick, or Marvin who comes along. Nowadays, every window made is tested and verified exactly the same way, so you, the sagacious and savvy consumer, can compare everything: structural strength, thermal performance, aesthetics, as well as pricing, and make a truly informed evaluation based on industry-accepted standards, not some meaningless homegrown test, also known as fake science. You can learn more about the real science behind our wicked awesome Maine-made windows, but only at Better Lumber Yards and Window Professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with one T, America's oldest window manufacturer.